Holy shit. I found the limo.
Yo, Shondi, where the hell are you?
What's up?
Get up, we gotta get moving.
What, you're actually taking me along?
I can't get a hold of Pierce.
Thanks, I guess.
You're welcome. Now get up, we gotta catch that limo.
Here he comes, get ready. Is he dead?
You got a light?
That's it, huh?
Seeing as we stole their drugs, cornered the Lower-Dust market, took their territory, and killed their leader, I'm pretty sure the sons of Samedi are fucked.
So, how'd I do?
Well, he's dead and you're not, so I'd say pretty goddamn good.
So you think I could take Gat?
Not on your fucking life.
What about Pierce?
Probably not.
Veteran child?
Seeing as he's dead, I'm pretty sure you'd kick his ass.
You're an asshole.